Welcome back to Pro Wheelhouse, your ultimate destination for car reviews, comparisons, and everything on wheels. Today, we're diving into one of the most popular MPVs in India, the 2025 Maruti Ertiga. A favorite among families and fleet owners alike, the Ertiga gets a refined update this year. So, is it still the practical king of the road? Let's find out. Design and exterior updates. The 2025 Ertiga maintains its familiar MPV silhouette but receives subtle styling tweaks. The front grille gets a sleeker chrome treatment, and the LED projector headlamps now feature a sharper signature. The rear sees a mild redesign with updated tail lamp internals and a new alloy wheel pattern. Though Maruti hasn't revolutionized the design, the changes are enough to keep it looking fresh in a competitive market. Interior and comfort. Step inside, and the Ertiga welcomes you with improved materials and added convenience. The beige and brown dual-tone dashboard now looks more premium, and the faux-wood finish on the console gets a more natural grain. The 7-seater layout remains versatile, with sliding and reclining second-row seats and a 50:50 split for the third row. Comfort has improved with better cushioning and enhanced AC vents for all rows. The cabin is now quieter, thanks to improved insulation. Technology and features. Maruti has packed the 2025 Ertiga with new age tech, including a 9-inch SmartPlay Pro Plus touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The updated MID, connected car tech with remote operations, and cruise control round out a fairly modern feature list. Though not the most high-tech MPV in its class, the Ertiga hits the essentials well. Performance and mileage. Under the hood, the Ertiga continues with the 1.5 LK15C Smart Hybrid petrol engine, delivering 103 brake horsepower and 137 Nm of torque. It's mated to either a 5-speed manual or a 6-speed torque converter automatic with paddle shifters. The engine prioritizes fuel efficiency and refinement over outright power, making it ideal for urban and highway cruising. Mileage figures remain impressive at around 20.5 km per liter for the manual and 20.3 km per liter for the automatic variant. Pricing and final verdict. With prices starting around 8.7 Indian rupees lakh and going up to 13.2 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom, the 2025 Maruti Ertiga continues to offer exceptional value. It's not revolutionary, but it perfects the formula it's always been known for: space, reliability, and affordability. Outro, thanks for watching. That's all for today on Pro Wheelhouse. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop your questions or Ertiga experiences in the comments below. Until next time, drive safe.